So you're talking about the voice assistant. Well, so if we talk about Alexa, for example, Alexa's department just in the last couple of days was pretty much terminated by Amazon. So like not the basics of the department, but like all of the investments Jeff Bezos was making in it. So I don't think this ever really took off as much as it should have, honestly. But in terms of what we know, people were talking to computers in forever. Like if you look at the Star Trek memes from back in the day, we're talking like super old Star Trek original series, and they're like, telling the computer to beam them up, or Scotty, help me out with this or whatever. And so like this has always been something that we thought would be helpful. But if you look at if you go on Reddit just this past weekend, I saw a nice thread about how pissed off Alexa makes people feel when they're trying to just go about their day. Like anytime somebody's like, going about their day in the kitchen, they tell Alexa to turn the music on or something like that. And then all of a sudden Alexa's like, would you like to hear it? No, I would not. Like nobody ever wants Alexa to interrupt their day and help them do anything proactively. It needs to be a reactive thing. And nobody shops by just telling a voice command or assisting it by voice command to go out and do things for them on Amazon. First of all, they need to check the price. They need to check the history of the price, because we have hyperinflation right now. And so I just don't think voice command ordering is ever going to take off. I really don't. Do I think voice ordering information? Absolutely. That's like my kids. I have 4 kids, 7 and under. Anytime they have a question and mom or dad's not available, what do? They go over to Alexa and ask the question. So dangerous activity potentially. So I just don't think that voice assistance on ordering in customer shops is going to pick up any more than it already has. I really don't.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.